Guys, today playing Arm Company, the OG Arm Company. So let's get straight to it. There wasn't any mirror, so I can't do the intro or the beginning. So let's go. And if you see, I have a lot of money because I joined random server. No, I joined a random server by my accident. Enter. Just wait. Because I pushed in random by my accident. Just wait. It was 789. Yo. I left by my accident. Yo. Thank you. You got my stuff? Thank you.
Yep.
I left by my accident, but I remembered the code. Okay, come on. Let's just go.
Good.
We need the mega flashlight.
Oh, should I hold the mega flashlight?
Yup. Boom. Come on. Now where should we go?
Alright. Should we go back to Anglerfish Cave?
Okay, let's go to Anglerfish Cave. And then let's go to cave. Then let's go to chicken. Oh, let's do it all. Wait, let's do it all. Let's go grab the chicken and the cave. The angler cave. What? Yo, you're lagging. Okay, what?
Me too.
Okay, let's go to the chicken and then the angler cave.
Alright.
Or no, let's go to normal cave. There's a normal cave right here. 316. Come on. Right here. I don't know what this cave's for. But this one. Let's go.
Over here?
Let's go kill the chicken and go right here. Okay, come on, let's go. We have to not die. See? He's snoring. You wanna kill him? Yo, you do the honors.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna give you the Mike Tyson special.
Yo, where's the egg though? They scammed us.
Recommend grabbing your shotgun.
I know. I got a lot of ammo in my back. So, you grab this stuff. Here you go. Take this. Take that.
Coca-Cola?
Take this banana. Take this. Oh, this.
So, bro, let's get out of here before Chicken Jockey respawns.
Oh, yeah. But don't worry, I got a... Okay, I shot him by my accident. Time to die! No, I'm just kidding.
I should probably turn it off or else Mr. Angler comes.
Wait. Let me grab some ammo.
Imagine this works.
No, bro, right here.
Imagine this works.
Right here, right here.
I'll quit summoning him.
Let's go right here, and then let's go to Anglerfish. The cave. Angler cave, whatever it's called. Okay. We have to grab a lot of stuff. Yo, what's good? Okay, you better run. Yup. It did not explode? What? Oh. Don't worry, I got you. I got
Nice.
you. Okay, put everything inside the bag. Boom. Bam. There's more stuff right here. Here you go. Boom. You're back. Now it's my turn to do some stuff. Boom. Bam. Bam. Stanley. Wait, for me.
Alright. Scary.
It always has been. The best way. Wait. Let me kill you. Just let me show the viewers how smoothly and satisfying it is to kill someone. Just come down here. See, when you kill someone, check how smooth it is.
Hold on, let's just sell.
Okay, go
Bro,
sell.
I gotta sell, okay?
Okay. I got to sell too. Oh, it has been. See the way he just go like flying there, and there's even not a red watch. He died. He made a lot of money. Oh, okay. I get it now.
Yo, can I kill you?
Sure. Here you go. Wait, just stuff right here.
Alright, step out of safe zone.
Give me a second. Okay. Oh. This is the bag full of stuff. You can have it. Ow. Kill me. Oh, there's no ammo.
Oh, hold on.
Bro, you fuck. No, you only need one. Kill me already. Stop. See, there isn't even a ghost. Yo, what are you doing? I can see you, but he can't hear me. I saw you, by the way. Okay, come on, let's go. You wasted all of the ammo.
Wombashment.
Just let me throw this in here. And sell it. Go sell it. I'll buy some ammo.
Yo, this is sell.
Well, I got some more ammo. Oh no. No. I was close. But I was saying, I got some more ammo, bro. I need to spend it. Come on, let's go. Yo, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
We go
2.
to Angler Cave.
Yeah, now we're going to Angular Cave. Let's just go to it. And here's the, I don't know what it's called, but I got jump scare once.
Mine in the cave.
Do not move a single bomb. 316.
Look, we said
I did a 316. But if you don't open the slide, I'll kill you in a second. Oh, here is it.
Alright.
But open the light. Never mind. Okay, whatever you do not close that light.
Let's go.
Wait.
Let's go. I'll see you at Angler Cave.
Where are you, bro?
Angler Cave.
Where are you? Open your light. I can't.
Oh, the guy that.
Where are you?
Do you see the light?
I'm in the cave right now.
Hi, bro.
Yo, right here. Come on, let's go. Bro, I need you to open the light. Can I see nothing? Let's go right here. Bro. Give me the light, bro.
Okay.
Put the stuff inside your bag.
Well, Angler comes.
There's a rubber ducky. Put the stuff inside your bag. Cause my bag's full of ammo. This also. Okay. We don't really need Coca-Cola, I guess. Let's go down. This is the parkour stage. You can go and do the parkour, or we can skip it all by doing this. But if you have heavy
Wait,
weights,
Oh,
do not
see.
do that. Oh no, bro, you went the wrong way. There's a bomb. 2 bombs. No! How did I die? Yo, bro, can you come back? I guess I'll wait for him here. Oh, so wait, someone help.
I'm back.
Yo! Wait, did you grab some stuff? Let's go. Okay, can you drop this? I won't kill you. That's the last time. No, just give it to me.
Let's so.
Don't kill me. Okay, I knew it. Just wait for my revenge. There's no mercy.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Ah, you tried.
Uh,
Give me that. Come on, let's just go sell.
why is it so bright?
I don't know. Let's go sell, bro. Come on. Don't kill. Just let's go sell.
Alright.
Come on. Don't kill, bro.
Okay.
I won't kill. See? Put the shotgun in your bag. And the ammo.
Fine.
The shotgun. That's it. No shotgun for you. Wait! Yes! Come on.
I hate people like you. I hate people like you.
Why? They have that's what you just want to see them, just type down below. Like, subscribe to the friends. We just played the OG Arm Company, and the tutorial in the next video will be in another video. So, bye guys. Don't forget to just have bye.